One of my favorite parts of the Salas O'Brien team is the people. When I first started at the Baltimore office about a couple of months ago, everyone gave me a really warm welcome and was very inclusive immediately. Throughout the internship, people will not hesitate to include me on projects or calls and will happily explain an aspect I might not understand at first. Everyone has been super helpful and inclusive, and there is always a positive vibe at work.
As an intern at Salas O'Brien, I was mostly designing concrete slabs, and I had a really awesome opportunity to go on site and see a building under construction, which really helped me relate the work that we were doing in office to how it comes out in the real world.
One word to describe my internship is busy, but in a good way. There's always something going on, and there's always something to work on. Whether it be a proposal for a brand new project, a final field review for a completed one, or something in the middle of that process. There's never a dull moment.